Hey everybody, welcome back. Oh, a little bit more work done on the plane again today. Progress. My wife helped me get this aileron clamped up and epoxied yesterday. It is now ready to come out of the clamps. One little time saver was my wife's idea, was to use a silicone baking sheet, which is very, very thin, and put it in between my clamp and what I was epoxying. This silicone baking sheet, the epoxy doesn't stick to it, and that stuff sticks to everything. It makes a nice clean pull off when I'm done. I can reuse them because if any epoxy does get on the baking sheet piece, it comes right off. Just a minor little scrub with a fingernail and comes off clean. So I'm happy about that. That was, that really worked out slick. And that's what I have right now. And I'll talk to you in just a little bit. See you then. The next project now is going to be actually fitting flaps and ailerons on the actual wing, and then start planning these out, the hinges, for them to make sure that they are all in the correct spot. And that's about all I got. I'm glad that the leading edges are done. That was a bit of a pain in the tail. Not technical, really, because everything is kind of laid out where it has to go. It's just gluing all the false ribs in place and getting them in the proper locations before the epoxy set up on me. You know, once you mix the two together, man, the time is running. Anyway, it all went well. Thank you for liking and subscribing if you want. And as always, have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.